Oh, what's that?
That's mine.
Frog stickers?
This is mine. That's not dragonfly. But that's not dragonfly. Oh, okay. This is
So this morning we woke up at another beautiful camp spot. The freedom camping in New Zealand is amazing. You get the coolest spots. I actually think that sometimes you get cooler spots than the paid campsites. Today our plan is to go to Hamilton Gardens. These aren't any normal gardens. They're pretty awesome. They've got like different countries with different style gardens, but it should be really fun. So we saw all the Paradise Collection gardens, we saw a few of the Production Garden collection, and we saw one or two of the Fantasy collection, but it's really huge, so we're not going to see everything. We're going to end up going to head our way north because we want to go to Pocono and get some more ice cream. We are at Pocono again. It's the place to stop for cheap ice cream between Auckland and Hamilton. We try and come here every time when we are traveling during the day. In fact, it was the first stop we did on our road trip.
This is mine. I'm having lemon, and goody gumdrop.